little lobby right there. I don't even know if it goes up this much. It goes from there to here. Let's walk. Let's meet Otis. Wow, that's... I guess this actually goes down to a -1. So this weighs a little more than I thought it would. Hey, it's glass. That's cool. The glass is all foggy though. And wow, this thing is slow. Oh my god. Oh, that's a window. They just have the shades closed. That's funny. Wow, this actually kind of goes with ow. Damn, just fucking slams to the bottom there. Oh, look. That's funny. It's literally just behind those windows. Behind those blinds, I mean. That's probably the mobile one. Can we look? Oh, wow. Yes, it is. Look. Can we see like a model number? Interesting. I'm not going to poke around in that too much. Because there's a restaurant here. All right, we'll go back up. Here's a look at your buttons. That is a big old ugly stop switch they put in there. Also note how the lights dimmed. We don't need to see that. We've all seen the PI before. I like how they have the rail literally right in the middle of the window. Like, I know that's where it usually is, but normally they take some kind of effort to hide it. Here it comes. Ooh, parcel. Alright, what we're gonna do, we'll send it down and watch it go from the outside. There's the other radiators in there. And here goes the other. There's one. We'll see.
Oh, no es necesario.
See the top of it. You can see the cab lights. They're literally sticking up off the top. That thing's, it's funny, this thing is tiny. It's literally like one step above a Lua.